Hello and welcome to RV Cooking with Keith. This channel here is about elevating your recipes while you're camping. So today we have a special curry. We're going to do a Malaysian mango chicken curry and serve that with rice. So I'll go through the ingredients. You need a pound of chicken, 2 green peppers, 2 red or orange peppers, some ginger, some onion. It's going to have some 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar, a cup of chicken stock, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of curry, of course some oil to cook the chicken in, as well as some cornstarch, and of course we're using a big mango. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and prepare all the ingredients, and then I'll bring you back when we start the cooking. So welcome back. I finished dicing and slicing all of the peppers, the chicken, the onion, the ginger, and the mango. Now the mango is a little bruised, but we're going to go ahead and use it anyways. So what we're going to do now is just brown the chicken. So we're going to put 2 tablespoons of oil in. Just going to brown the chicken, and then when that's done, we'll remove it from the pot. And then we can go on with the onions and the ginger and get that all done. So we're just cook this a bit. And salt. And a little pepper. The chicken has been cooked. Now I'm just softening the onions and the ginger, and then we'll be adding the peppers in, and then all of the spices. So we'll bring you back when on that step. The onions have softened. I'm just going to add in the peppers and just cook them for a minute or two. Add in the chicken. Stir. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of chicken stock. We have it. And to this, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Maybe. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to have 2 tablespoons of curry powder. To that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Ooh. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And we'll just give that all a stir, mix everything up. just going to let that cook 15-20 minutes, and we'll serve it with some rice. Okay, so we've got rice in the bowls. We have 3 bowls. One's for John, but John's not here. We're going to go ahead and just, I've added the mangoes. You just add the mangoes in the end just to warm it up. And then there you have it.
The one time John's gone, he doesn't get the ones on the floor.
So there you have it. I'm just going to take a taste. Put a little pepper in there, a little bit of chicken, a little bit of rice. It's not a hot curry, it's a sweet curry. And it's really refreshing. So, hope you enjoy the recipe. Click, subscribe, like, and give me some ideas.